I don't know what to say. I had $80,000 invested in AMC. It began to pull back. I had to sell it all. Like, I just had too much money invested in it. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechWit Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. It comes with the territory. There's no other way to put it. I'm not here to sugarcoat it. We've talked about it in every single video. I feel like I express this more than just the average person that uploads a video. I talk about how risky AMC is, right? A lot of you guys, I shared with you guys, I was up $60,000, $63,000 yesterday. The day before, I was up $23,000. You think I'm going to complain about being down 16% in one day when AMC was up 95% yesterday or 44% the day before? It comes with the territory. If you don't want to partake in these pullbacks, then don't partake in risky trades. It's that simple. I not only did not sell my position, actually, I sold a portion of my position during the pre-market session. I saw that it broke below the SMA line and began to show signs of a descending pattern. I reduced it a little bit, but then guess what? I loaded up on it once again, right? It sold off. It got halted twice. I began to load up on it as it began to indicate signs of an uptrend. Now, am I up on AMC? No, I had 1,500 shares during the pre-market session. I reduced it to about like 1,200, a little bit over 1,200, like 1,250. And then I began to really load up on it. As of right now, oh no, like I'm down $24,000 on the day. Do I feel great about it? No, it still sucks, right? But it's like I'm invested with 2,850 shares. I'm invested with $140,000. Here's a crazy concept. If you can't accept pullbacks, if you can't tolerate them, then don't trade risky stocks. Don't trade stocks, don't ask for stocks that, or put yourself in a position, don't invest or trade stocks that push up 50%, 90%, 100% in a day and not expect them to pull back. I'm not here to call you paper hands, diamond hands. I don't care about any of that. It's just trading in general, right? Respect the process. Understand that this is not your 9-to-5 job. Just because you invest hours or invest money or trade with money doesn't earn you a direct output of pay. The stock market is challenging. It is risky, and not every stock is as risky. So if you want to learn how to trade, you want to learn how to invest, learn how to walk before you run. But if you choose to partake in a stock like this, just like I made $60,000 in one freaking day, the couple of hours in front of a screen, you think I'm going to complain? You think I have the capability of complaining about being down 20K? Oh man, it still sucks being down 20K. But that's the position that I put myself in. I decided to buy a large dollar amount of a risky stock because I think that it can still continue to go up. A lot of people are still talking about the short squeeze hasn't happened. The short sellers haven't covered. At the end of the day, I'm really just trying to focus on direction. As of right now, there's a slight resistance at the SMA line, something that you need to take into consideration. I think that once we break above the SMA line, we can see a nice little push up. My break even point would be right around $58, $59 a share. Market closed yesterday at $62. I'm excited. I love the challenges that the market presents. I love it. And drop a thumbs up if you agree. I'm not here to sugarcoat it. If you can't tolerate pullbacks, respectfully, don't trade these stocks. It's that simple. Put yourself in a position to succeed. All we ever say, implement structure and watch your position size. All we ever say. If you're freaking out because it's down 20%, just know that it could be down 40%, 50%, and that is not far-fetched. So what are you going to do to prepare? It's that simple. I wanted to make this video. I wanted to start it with kind of like oh no, I sold everything. But hey, if I do choose to sell everything, I'm going to do it because it's in my best interest, but I'm going to do it when it makes sense to me. As of right now, it doesn't necessarily make sense. I've been doing a decent job watching my position size. The past couple of days, I've been trading with 5,000, 10,000 shares. Right now, I'm in with 2,800. During the pullback, I was in it with 1,000 shares. So I'm doing my part and staying well balanced with the dollar amount that I trade with. We're all at different levels. We all have different dollar amounts that we can tolerate. All I'm ever here to encourage you to do is implement structure and don't become an emotional mess. If you're becoming an emotional mess, it simply means that you're trading with too much money and you're just not ready. You just can't handle this and can't tolerate it. It doesn't mean that it's the end of the world. It just means that, again, you need to learn how to walk before you run. So I wish you guys nothing but the best. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a thumbs up. I also created a free PDF for you to download, especially for a lot of newer traders. It's absolutely for free, and it talks about the 3 stages of trading reversals. So if you want to download that PDF, that's going to be that first link in the description. If you want to join our free Facebook group, that's the second link. And if you want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, that's that third link down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.